Hi students, this song Because I Love You is by the Dave Clark Five, not to be confused with Because by the Beatles, and many times it is confused. It's a beautiful melody. It starts off with a pickup note, so I'll give you like 1, 2, 3. Oh, and the strum is just down, down. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's right that I should care about you and try to make you happy when you're blue. It's right to feel the way I do because I love you. Now the chords from left to right, G we know, G augmented is a little different. You'd swing from G, hold that second finger down, and just swing your third and fourth fingers to the third fret on the C and E strings. So, and you have E minor, which is 1, 2, 3, starting on the first string, second fret, and then second finger's third fret, second string, and ring finger is fourth fret, third string. And then that either goes back to the G augmented, or if you're playing the song, it goes to G7. Now, the intro is what we're going to look at right now. And it's arpeggiated, and notice they suggest a low G string. So it's going to sound like this. All right, let me show that full screen. Now, I am starting from the fourth string. I'm going. When I get to the first string, I let go and play open, open A, and then I do the second fret on the A. So I do this. On the G augmented, I do the same thing. On the E minor, on the G augmented. So let's look back at that. Now you know how it sounds. So you're playing the chord up until these 3 notes. You have to release your fingers from the first string so you could play the. So on the G again, it's. Now they show the chord here, but you're not playing these chords at the same time. I'm not doing this. I'm just doing this. So I play O, second, third, and then I release my fingers from the first string so I can play open A on the G augmented, on the E minor, again on the G augmented. It's right that I should care about you and try to make you happy when you're blue. This chord's tricky. The B flat augmented. It's a first finger on the first fret of the first string, and then you have these two fingers, and then you have to put your pinky on the third fret of the fourth string. Okay, work with that, and we'll work on it on Tuesday when we have our next Zoom live class. See you then.